Alright, y'all see it. Got another down day. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel also. Time to buy these dips. Take advantage of these pullbacks. Go in and lower your average cost. Some things you want to keep long term, or some players you want to get rid of. Like lately, see me doing my swing trading. Buying low, selling high, low on my average cost on things. Some stuff I might keep just because of the dividend yield, but actually when they pop, I'm going to get rid of them. Some of them like BGS Foods, AFCG, a lot of REITs I've been telling you about. When they do make they pop, I'm going to dump them. Just want to operate a little cleaner, a little leaner, I'm sorry. I want to start this, well, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. I'm just curious. Let's look at Bitcoin, BTC. I want to see what this doing. So crypto down $962 for the week is down 5%. I'm surprised it still got up to that $118,000 range, man. Say this thing can go to 200,000. They said if it reached the 150 before that. Let's MSTY got down to 1610 on yesterday. I put a buy order in for 10 shares just in case it does dip. I think last month it paid like $1.18 a share. But as of right now, I'm gonna go pick some of this up at this price. I definitely like it at the 18 and under mark. Don't hit buying dollars. Not gonna load up today. I want to see if it touched that 1610. I like that price. I can definitely lower my average cost there. OXLC, 9 cents a share a month. Some of these tickers y'all should start remembering how much the dividend pays every month. I'll put a buy order in $3.39. I buy 5 shares of this every day. At least I put a buy limit order in. When it triggers, it triggers. Times I wake up, it'll go down and go back up quick. USOY options on oil. I got a buy limit order at $8.25 for 10 shares, but I just buy this every day. This pays out weekly. I think this week is paying 13 cents a share for the week. Like I say, I just dollar cost average on in at $2, $3, $5 a day. I got HRZN I'm targeting. We're gonna stick to my list. USOI options on oil. Paying 76 or 78 cents a share for this month. I mean, still down. Definitely got to take advantage below this this $55 range. So I can catch it down for that day. Right now it's up. I'm gonna throw $20 at it on the next one, especially if it's below 51 bucks for USOI. I'm gonna go HRZN. Horizon, definitely take advantage of this one in PSEC. Horizon Technology, 11 cents a share a month. Even if they experience a dividend cut, you still can't beat this yield. 692 today. I'm definitely loading up below the $7 mark. REITs and BDCs are going to go up. And this one you can also swing trade. I'm gonna go with OPI next. It's the office REIT. IPO OPI. It's an office REIT. Definitely taking advantage of this at these prices. Pay 1 cent a share quarterly. On the lowest average cost of these prices. I got a price target to sell and scalp profits at 36 bucks. All the stuff I'm buying right now cheap. Average cost 43.5 cents right now. If this thing go to $1, I'm gonna be in the winnings. It's gonna go up at the interest rate cut, so this your accumulation time. accumulation period. Right now, how they say winner. This is winner for it. ORC $7.08. Paying 12 cents a share a month. And add on some of that. Just want to lower my average cost. I like this at the $8 and below mark. I would have bought more, but I'm getting 5 shares of that HRZN. When it goes back to the $8 mark, I'm gonna sell all the shares I'm getting at the $7.50 and below. Just want to lower my average cost. Once I sell it, my average cost is gonna come down. Land right now, $5 a day. It is below the $9 mark. This another one should go past 11 bucks. Got a 6% dividend yield. Pay out monthly. OXSQ. Oxford Square Capital, 3.5 cents a share a month. $2.22. I'm going in that 5 shares a day. Building that up. Scooping up this cash flow at these discounts, man. Ticker ARR. I'm a residential REIT. Got down to $14.65. I'm just getting 10 bucks a day. Especially below this $15 mark. At $21.12. This was a 20-something stock before. As you can see. MSTY. I'm actually overweighting ARR. I just got some of this, $5 worth. I'm gonna get another dollar since I'm here. $3 since I'm here. Get $8. Give me half a share. CHPT charge point. Another one I'm about to start swinging. Ever since they did this stock split. It's gonna buy $3, $5 here while it's dipping down. Then go back up, I'm gonna sell it. If I have $120 worth I brought at a good price, and if I brought $120 worth at $11.50 to $11 range, just buying $5 a day, and it's up to $12.25, I'm gonna sell them 120 at $12.25. Just want to lower my average cost, rinse and repeat. Seems like that's what everybody doing with it. I need to bring my costs down. WMT, $98.87. I went and got an extra 10 bucks of this today when it was in the $97 range. They had bad earnings. No, this is a long-term play anyway. Got them recurring $1 a day. We got 2 Harbors down for the day. $9.55. Definitely another one. Lower my average cost in this one too. And it pays a nice dividend. At $13.39 now. Got down to $9.50 today, 17.18% yield. Yeah, I say this the time you got to go in and buy. I'm gonna hit $9.50. Get another 5, and we'll be selling these shares when they go back up, probably at $10.25, just to lower my average cost. This is how you got to do it when these stocks down. Even if you wanna, I'm using margin, so I'm gonna borrow the money, get paid a dividend, and give it back to them when the stock go up. TSLY. I just buy this dollar cost average in below the $8 mark. When it get back, this is another one I'm gonna start selling. Rinse and repeat. It's a volatile stock. Why not make money with Tesla? PSEC. We're down to 282 today. $4.5 a share month. It's gonna squeeze back past the $3 mark. It's another one. Need to lower my average cost at. The reason I'm doing this now. Like I say, you get 4.5 a share month, market cap 1.27 billion. Hopefully they don't make another dividend cut. Even at $2.82, if you can get 3 cents a share, if they cut it to 4 cents a share, you still winning, man. How I learned things dealing with monthly dividends. If you can get 1 cent per month for every dollar, say it's trading at $3, and if you can get 3 cents a share a month, that's actually winning. So if it's trading at $2.82 and you getting 4.5 cents a share a month, man, you doing excellent. So that's how I stay at stuff. And people gonna jump back in just because of the risk of the dividend. But you got to know it's paying 21.05%. No business can pay that like yearly, man. That's a lot of money out of your cut. That's like if you, especially if you're not in sales. If you're in sales, you might can get away with it. Like a small business, if you buying some shoes for $50 a pair, you selling them for $100, and you paying somebody 20% of it, you know, that's probably all right there. You got 50 into the shoe. You know, you made 50 on the shoe sales. You get them 20% of 100, it'd be $20. So they get 20 out of every 100, meaning you profiting $30 off of every shoe. You can do that, but man, that's gonna be your peak. You're not gonna make no more dividend or no more profit. That just paying somebody like the maximum payment they can ever get, like up front. Like, so just showing an example. The reason I use shoes because I got a small business, a shoe business. So I know some of my people, when they sell shoes for me at $100, usually I sell all of my stuff for $120, and I just give them 20 and I keep the 100. But I just use that analogy at just $100 range being 20% interest. So you can break it down better for you, more easy at the $100 mark than $120. But anyway, because 20% of 120, that'll be 10% will be 12, so that'd be about $24 off every pair. But anyway, let's go check our trap. Keep pushing, get through this video. Everybody get along with their day. Bank stocks coming down, not low enough for me to buy. You know, I'll let you know when that goes down. New takedown. Let's look at Leggett and Platt. This is another one I need to be buying low, selling high. What's the last price I was buying this at? $8.24, $8 range. Got back up to $9.97. What's the dividend yield? 2.15%. So they cut the dividend, investing back into the business. 52-week low, $6.48. I like to scoop it up below the $9 mark if I can. But focus on one stock at a time. For me to be getting rid of them, like I said, I'm about to operate leaner. United States economy not what it was way back in the day. 258, I'm at 178. I like this below the 250 mark. If I could select that ride. Got OPI, Granite Point Mortgage. 273, I'm at 293. It's also another REIT that's going to go up. 52-week high, 366. My history. I've been buying this at 234, 235, 240s. Say 250 and under. So that got to come down. I collect the dividend until then. Let that do its work. Ready Capital. Well, it's definitely one I'm getting 5 shares a day of, lowering my average cost. Gonna be a good swing trade. I'm going today at 379. Please don't trade in the 24-hour. I gotta check out AFCG too. AFCG. I got a list of my swing trades I'm keeping up with. And I'm watching. Gonna look at the Dow. Dow down today, 23. I'm at 31. A couple shares of this. PMT, Penny Mac. Grab some more of this. That's a nice read to have. Get that Pets. Where we at today? It's another swing trade. 306. Yep, because September is around the corner. And don't be the one later to wish you was buying when all this stuff was cheap. Some CHCT. 1473. $9. Alright, got some of that. RPT. It's the rhythm. Stock at 49, 256, 9.38%. Yep, definitely need to be gobbling this up at these prices. And it got a 9.3% yield. Another one that's gonna go up. 254. Do like I was doing before. Get 3 shares of this every day. Bring that average cost down with this one too. I say it's sad, boy, that REIT and BD sector, man, just having this way, getting his butt whooped. This is where you got to go in and buy. Yeah, via Vaughn. This is another one I'm going to get rid of. TELUS Communication Company. 52-week high, 1726, 6.97% yield. And that's why I'm going to get rid of it. When you get that dividend, you got to pay them. See, amount withheld. This is the last dividend I got, July 2nd. Y'all got to remember, this is a Canadian communication company. So 14.56 shares. They gave me 26 cents a share. If you do the math on that, it is, pulling up my calculator, if I got 0.26 cents a share times 14.57, you got to round that off. I should have got $3.79, right? Equals minus 0.67 equals $3.11. I should have got total amount $3.79. Total amount withheld. They withheld 67 cents of that. Yep. So if you do, let's do 379. 379 divided by 0.67, meaning they taking 5.65% of your total. Now you're gonna see on your taxes on your 1099-D, it's gonna have a section. It's gonna say what amount withheld on it. You're gonna be able to write that off on your taxes as a loss now. But just know they're taking the 3.79 divided by 0.67. That's 5.65, 5.66% they taking from your dividend, just for you to know. But that's a fifth. Because 0.67 go in 3.79, 5.6 times. So they taking like a fifth or whatever it is, however you want to do that math. But if it makes sense to you, keep it. Still not a bad yield. Just to say. But I can get that yield with a United States company and don't have to pay that. Even though you're going to take it, you're going to offset it on your taxes, but do you really want to do it? It's, you got other options. All right, ABR, Arbor Realty Trust, cut their dividend of 34 cents a share, I want to say. Right now it's paying 13.7% yield. Just to show you the dividend, paying 30 cents a share out quarterly now. Still not a bad yield to have. But I'm going to see if it's going to pull back some more before I bother it. Intel down negative 1.25%. I got a buy limit order, sell order. I'm taking profits at $26.53 just to take some of it. Ticker LYB, Lionel Basel, about to be back on his way to the $60 mark. Why am I buying this? 9.74% yield. Just been lowering my average cost at these prices. Before this shoot back up. Everything I'm buying low, I'm going to sell it when it goes up. The lower my average cost. Redwood Trust at $5.95. 52-week low is $4.68, 11.74% yield. 38% say buy, 62% say hold, or 37.5 or 62.5, however you want to do the math. Another say sell, 52-week high, $8.15. It's another nice one to have. Need to lower my average cost in, get $3 worth of that. Riverview Bank, definitely another one I'm going to get rid of. AFCG, this one I was telling you about that I'm swinging. Buying low and selling high, 344 today. It's a marijuana REIT. So when it goes on this run back past that $4 mark, I'm going to be good. I'm at 413 now. Got ORC, NLY, 70 cents a share a month quarterly. Another one I wish would come on down some more. Seems like this one never does. Give me a half a share there. Two Harbors, we on that one. New York Mortgage Trust. 698. 52-week high is 727. I'm not gonna bother that one. I'm at 864. It's gonna collect that sweet dividend, 11.36%. Got this as a hold in the buy. 52-week low, 502. Did get Coney, DISO. Take advantage of this one. 16.98 shares. That's 17.3 now. I got ARR, AMDY been coming down. Holding that for the dividend. FSK been getting whooped. See, ain't loading up on nothing. Got a 52-week low, 1735. Just gonna ride it on down. Misty got that YMAG, AIYY, brought 25 shares on yesterday. $270 today. This one was doing good. Now it's coming down, went up, now it's coming down. It did make a new 52-week low the other week. It went down to 240. So I'm going to buy this at its weekly lows. This another one I'm going to be swinging. YBIT's one I want to add on to. I do like this one. This one less volatile than the other ones, trade according to Bitcoin. All those, nope. XDTE's got to come down some more for me. YMAX got to come down some more. I want this around like the 1230 range. Less volatile Plato also plays out weekly. 1121. I can start nibbling at this price. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. He's reinvesting the dividends back into it. Somewhat. Right now I'm scooping up that Rising. PYPY options on PayPal. 1413. Let's see where I'm at. 16.49. Another one pays out monthly dividend. CHPY, new ones I just added on. These also pay out monthly. That's it for today. Y'all stay cool, stay safe. Signing off. Go get your money. Dang, that was a 30-minute trade. Sometimes it be like that.